doing your road test today.
Yeah, I'm off one.
Yep. So when you're ready, then we'll take off. We're gonna go out to Walmart.
Okay.
This is the route I take everybody on in this area here. So it's pretty very, very, very close to the actual road test. I get you to do everything they ask you to do. So if you're ready, then we'll make a right turn out of here. And then we'll head over to the exit. Right turn at the traffic sign. They don't say stop sign or yield sign. They don't assume everybody knows what a stop sign is. So. Yeah, so left turn. Left turn at the traffic light. So they don't give you any feedback along the way.
Yeah.
Until you get back and finish your road test, then they give you the feedback. So we'll just keep going around the corner here to the right. It's your lucky day. There's no car to parallel park with. Usually it's parked right here.
Yeah.
And that's typical for a road test. They won't drive out of their way looking for a car for you to parallel park with.
Yeah.
9 times out of 10, they'll skip it.
Yeah.
At the next traffic sign, we're going to turn left. We'll pull over by the flowers there in the front yard. Not in the front yard, but
Yeah.
From here, please proceed with a 3-point turn using the roadway only when it's safe to do so. Straight ahead. At the traffic light, we're going to turn right. Left turn at the next traffic light. Follow this roadway all the way down to the end. on the hill near the top there where the curb is raised.
Okay.
Assume you're leaving it here for a long period of time. Okay, and we'll take off. And a left turn at the traffic sign. Right turn at the traffic light. A right turn at this intersection coming up. Going back to the test center.
Okay.
Go to the second entrance there again. First laneway, we'll turn right. And reverse park the vehicle on this side of the first white car.
Any side?
On this side of it.
Oh.
Somebody's sitting in their car. Oops, that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, right turn out of here, and we'll finish up with a forward parking. Any space to your right. Whichever one you want. Boom. Done. Congrats, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. So you passed. This would have been a pass for your real road test.